everything, one, check. Everything I do, pack a punch, back it up. Stack it up to the sky, now rack it up. Planet of the brakes, won't sink, just swim. The master blaster, boombox on 10. Throwing Hail Mary, some I ain't trying to pass it. It's still very on to the casket drops. I accelerate to the pedal brakes. When we celebrate, I make you levitate. First in, last to leave, always. Reign supreme, victory on stage. I come alive when the pyro hits. From the 213 to the 416, yeah. Opposition, I don't see none. Just me and me, going up on a run. Competition, I don't need none. Just 1v1, v1, v1. It's all on, all year, all night. It's all on to the sunlight. Opposition, I don't see none. Just 1v1, v1, v1, v1. Right here, right now, right quick. I'm on a UFO, extraterrestrial trip. Come through stomping with my boots on, just to watch you freeze like the Yukon. Tell them run up, come catch the Stone Cold Stunner. Been on go mode the last 3 summers. The one of one, and there ain't no runner up. Coming up and there ain't no wonder. I rip it, dip it, and die. Yeah, fish could fly, you better all look alive.
So perfect start of a weekend with really good results yesterday and also this morning in the second match. But yes, some bad luck in semi-final.
Yeah, we were very lucky and the pace was very good. And start of this round, we had a very good pace in the qualification first heats and 2 first victories. So that's nice. A good start of the weekend, but yeah, we ran out of the luck later. In 3rd qualification we got spun, and then in the semi-final, starting from the first row, we got in one of the last laps we got no brakes, so ended the weekend there.
Yeah, so some better luck in semi-final, but yeah, the speed is there. So enjoy the next weekend in Prerov. It's an amazing track. So yeah. You're ready?
Yeah. And I think I have adapted to the buggy quite good, and right now it's easier for me to adapt also to new tracks like this, and yeah, excited for Prado and see you there.